Listen, hog. Change the h in hog to oo. What is the new word? Can you point to the picture of the new word? Listen, sat. Change the s in sat to b. What is the new word? Listen, cut. Change the k in cut to n. What is the new word? Listen, 10. Change the t in 10 to h. What is the new word?